Hello, 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 and welcome to my financial education channel. This is Winning Minute with Dolores McKenzie. Today I'm going to ask a simple question. Why financial education? Why do you think you should have or do you think you should have financial education? Well, my take is this, that financial education lays the foundation for the life of abundance that you need. It is the basis of living, and also it is that which will lead you to the lifestyle and the life that you want to live. So what do you gain from financial education? You gain knowledge of how to invest, how to manage your money, and how to increase your cash flow, how to pay off debt fast, how to actually fund your college, how to buy real estate, how on a whole, how to manage your finances. And I know a lot of skeptics are there because I've met some of them. I've met some who says that they don't even want God and money to be in the same sentence. But did you know that there are over 2,000 references of prosperity and money in the Bible? So I'm not sure which Bible you're reading, but the one that I read talk a lot about prosperity and money. And if it were not important, I don't think it would be said so many times. So I think it is important to have a strong financial foundation, and that starts with financial education. One of the things that hinders is our mindset, what we think about money. And the people who always call other people greedy are the ones that are the greediest. Yeah, it is because you the way you handle money stems from the way your mind thinks about money. So just think about that. What would you rather do? Would you rather get financially educated and live a life of abundance, or would you rather be in a scarcity mindset? So I encourage you to get financial education. There's a lot of free information there. And you can actually click on my link and do a one-on-one consultation with me if you so desire, and see if we're a good fit to work together. And also seek the knowledge, and learn for yourself and become your own money manager. Did you know that you can create your own banking system and make money just like the bank does? Yes, you can. You just have to know what to do. So you can connect with me. Let's have a conversation. Let's have a conversation, because this is amazing. And as I learn different things, I apply different things. And that's how I build a legacy. That's how I'm building a legacy for my children, my grandchildren, and for the things that I love. And along the way, along the way, I am enjoying the journey. I'm enjoying the journey. If I feel like flying first class, I fly first class. If I feel like traveling around the world, I travel around the world. If I feel like biking, I bike. Whatever it is that I feel like doing, I do. Because I just want to enjoy this life. This life was given to me and I'm grateful for it. And I'm going to make the best mark that I can on it. Have a blessed day. I love talking to you and spilling my beans. So have a prosperous day, and I talk to you again soon. Ciao.